Normally Maya's always up and ready before me. This is very, very unusual. Let's go to work. Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah, I woke up at 6.
And then went back to?
Bed.
Someone was too eager for their second day at work?
Well, I did some working from home.
Okay. I want to evenly space these dividers within this frame, and what you could do is measure and mark with a pencil where it needs to go to. But personally, what I always like to do is just find a bit of scrap from the scrap bin and always cut a spacer to whatever the length is, and then by doing it that way you can guarantee that it's going to be exactly right. You can even put clamps on here, then you know that your dividers are going to be perfectly evenly spaced on both sides. This weather is unbelievable. Those blue skies. Maya's doing the one thing I can never be bothered to do, which is the engagement to grow your social media pages. But she's a pro. Maya's just working on my edit for me, aren't you, bud?
Yeah.
Like your ears. Yo. How's it going, alright?
Ice.
Ice.
Melted ice. And some beers.
Look at the abuse that my trolleys have to endure.
Mate, that's hard work, man. That's hard graft right there. That's money, man.
So when do you think I made this for you, Lou? Was it about 3 years ago?
Yeah, you came with the design about 3 years ago.
Yeah, about 3 years ago.
And then it's evolved. And it's become something slick now. So.
Well, it was slick and now it's dismantled, but we'll fix it. We're gonna fix it.
It's dismantled. We work hard, man.
We're fixing this for tomorrow because
tomorrow is filming day. So Channel 5, Alex Polizzi, the hotel inspector. She's come to interview the UK's #1 street food to find out how we got.
these guys.
Yeah, these guys to find out how we got to the number
That's what
one
the gold's
spot.
for now instead of the white, right?
Gold, man.
Yeah, the gold.
It represents
gold standard.
Yeah, record holders 6 times British street foods holders. That's the record. No more now. That's our last one. But yeah, she's coming to film us. There's a couple outside in Wellow who got like a failing business, and they're gonna come and seek our advice and see how we got to where we are now. So
nice one.
yeah, but it's nice, you know. I got Mr. Smith-O-Matic making sure I look all good.
Yeah, we're gonna try and get it all fixed up and looking good.
We're gonna look good, man.
It's gonna be a busy day. I've got a busy day ahead of me. What a busy, crazy day that has been. See all this LJ stuff, that's got to be done first thing in the morning. This is going to be on Channel 5 tomorrow. Hotel Inspector TV show. So we've got to get this. This used to look so beautiful and he's absolutely annihilated it. Thanks, Lou. They're a hard-working bunch, those lads. Managed to get that bit of kitchen fitted, at least the bare bones of it, and then we'll put the doors, end panels and stuff on probably later on in the week, and I got organised for the worktop to arrive. What an absolutely insanely busy day that was. Maya's, I think, edited 4 of my videos, so all I've got to do is now go in and do the finessing so I can publish them. Is that everything? It's hard to keep track, it's been so busy. But good busy. This is what we like. 2 rush jobs being done over the course of like 16 hours. I've done a hell of a lot today. I have absolutely no idea how I'm going to edit this video together. All I know that's happening right now is I'm going to go and get a shower. You know, it doesn't matter what's happened in the day, good or bad. A shower always makes you feel like $1 million. I love having a shower. Liquid sleep, time to think. I do my best thinking in the shower.
No mushrooms.
That's right.
Yeah, we'll double mushroom there.
Alright, it's just everyone else does. Yeah.
My hair always goes super fluffy whenever I've had a shower and I shampoo it.
Maya's gone to stay with her dad and her grandparents. So, what did you think was going to happen? Obviously. It's currently 1:30 in the morning. I just finished doing the edit on the computer. I have to get up at 5 AM to come back and get that item ready for Lewis. We didn't have time to do it tonight because the shop's closed, so we couldn't get the stuff. I'm gonna get like 4 hours sleep, which I'm not psyched about. Night night.